Hanson Industrial-Peoria. We sell and service pressure washers, steam cleaners, water treatment systems, air compressors, and generators. Hi, I'm Bill Krokos from Hanson Industrial-Peoria. Today I'm going to demonstrate an H3L750 Sioux combination steam/pressure washer. It'll work at steam up to about 300 to 320 degrees at 250 psi, and it's pure steam, as well as it'll work at hot water about 200 degrees at 750 psi. First, we're going to connect the power. We'll need a 20 amp outlet, and the plug looks like this. It is a 110 20 amper. Then we need to set the GFCI. Next, we're going to connect to a 65-pound propane bottle. The thread on the connector is left-hand thread. The steamer has electronic ignition, so there'll be no standing pilot. It'll automatically start as long as there's gas there. Then go ahead and turn the gas on. Check your connections for any leaks. Now we're going to connect the water. You'll notice we have a shutoff on our water, so we can turn it on once it's connected. It'll fill up into this flow tank. When it's satisfied, the ball will stop the water from flowing. Next, we're going to connect the high pressure and steam hose to the nipple. This is a coupler. The coupler seals back, pulls back, and couples in. Make sure it's tight. Next, we have a variable pressure, or actually a standard lance with a connector too. For pressure washing, you'll use these nozzles. For steam, you'll use these two nozzles. One is a zero, one is a fan. Pressure washer nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, and 25 degree. Steam nozzles, a zero spray and a fan spray. Now we're going to install the vent pipe. Sioux supplies this vent pipe because in propane, flames will want to come out the top of the stack, so they give you this vent pipe extension so you don't see any flames coming out here. However, every time the burner starts, since propane falls, you will get a little bit of flame that you'll see at the bottom of the coil. Next, I'm going to connect the zero steam nozzle on the end of the lance. Just like the coupler for the hose, you pop it in and you slide the coupler back. The thermostat is preset to go all the way up to 320 degrees. So during steam, it'll get to 300 to 320 when it's running, depending on how you're pulling the trigger and releasing the trigger. One thing to know, with any steam cleaner or pressure washer, if you let go of the trigger and let the unit run and bypass too long, you can damage the pump. So therefore, if you're not pulling the trigger, you're better to cool the unit off and shut it off. First, you're going to turn the unit to pump. Then you're going to turn the unit to hot water. The steam is playing light on the inside. It's going to take about 2 minutes for the unit to shift from hot water to steam. Right now the propane is on and the temperature is going to start to climb. In steam mode, the unit runs at 250 psi. In steam, this is what the nozzle looks like. Right now, we are over 280 degrees. The temperature will continue to climb until it gets between 300 and 320. At this point, the unit can clean very easily. And as you can tell, there's quite a bit of smoke because you are changing the temperature of the water to steam. fan spray looks like in steam. And if you look over at the temperature, we are above 300 degrees. We will climb all the way up to 320. The temperature will continue to climb. Unit running, we're going to go cool the coil down so that we can switch and show you how it works in pressure washer mode. Turn the switch back to pump and continue to hold the trigger. The pressure will change from steam and the temperature will come down and it will get you down to 100 degrees. That's when it's okay to switch the nozzle, and then I'm going to show you how to adjust it from steam to go to regular pressure washing. During this process, the unit will come down from 300 plus degrees and slowly decrease just by having the burner off. Now that we have the temperature brought down, I'm going to switch over to one of the high pressure spray nozzles. I'm going to take the yellow, which is the 15 degree, connect it into the coupler. I disconnected the steam nozzle already when the temperature cooled down. If we look down here, we have what they call an unloader valve. In this particular unit, when it's counterclockwise to the max, it'll run at 250 psi when it's in steam. When we turn it to the bottom point, it'll stop. There's a stopper built on the unloader. It'll go up to 750 psi. So clockwise down will get you 750 when you're using the pressure washer nozzle. Counterclockwise up with the steam nozzle will give you 250 under steam. We'll go ahead and start it back up. Look at the difference in the nozzle spray. In a short time, the temperature will rise up to about 200 degrees. The temperature is starting to rise. You'll notice when it's in pressure washer mode, there's more water coming through and it's flying out farther. Steam peels the grease and dirt away. High pressure actually blows it away. Right now we're at about 175 degrees in pressure washer mode. The unit will climb close to about 200 degrees in pressure washer mode. When you're done doing your job, you go ahead and turn the burner off. It'll cut the flame out. The pressure washer will start cooling down and we'll get down to 100 degrees and then we can go through the disconnection process. Now that we cool down the coil, I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit off. We're at about 87 degrees. The best way to cool down the coil is to be pulling the trigger and allowing the water to flow so the cool water enters the coil and cools everything down. The unit is also equipped with high pressure chemical. So basically this is the detergent valve and here's the detergent hose. You can draw chemical under pressure through steam and also when it's pressure washing. All you have to do is open up this valve. When you do open this valve, and if it's not in a solution, it will suck air and it could damage your pump. When the unit is running in pressure washer mode and you want to use the detergent valve, this valve must be opened. In steam mode, when you want to use the detergent valve, this valve must be closed. It's on the back side of the float tank, open for pressure washing and detergent, close for steam and detergent. To put the unit away, we're just going to reverse the process that we did. First, we're going to take the vent off. Be careful, if the vent's been running for a while, it can be worn. Then we're going to disconnect the high pressure coupler from the hose. I've already disconnected the nozzles to put them away. We have the unit right here set on off. I can disconnect the water. Disconnect the power. Then disconnect the propane. Remember, before you disconnect the propane, please turn it off. Same with the garbage hose. And remember, this is a left-hand thread, right hand is what releases it. Hopefully this video was informative for you. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Hanson Industrial-Peoria. Thank you for watching our video. This is Hanson Industrial-Peoria. If we can ever help you in the future, please contact us at our phone number or through our website. Thank you.